Up, it went back down. Okay, you know what you do then? You know what you do then? You have Mommy take it up and throw it up in the air.
Put it on this side?
Yep, and then just throw it up.
Any side or which side?
String facing him. No, flip it.
This side? Okay,
Up.
hold on, Jared.
Jared, stay there.
Stay right there. Just throw it.
Yeah.
Bring it.
There we go. Just throw it way high.
See?
Okay, now, you know what you do, Jared? You run backwards.
Run backwards. Run backwards.
There you go. Yeah, good job. A kite, is that fun?
Jared, look up.